Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. Blizzard to the big nor'easter 2019. Snowed overnight pretty good. Cloud drivers are out making a mess of everything. I'm here snow blowing my sidewalk, my neighbors. And it seems like it's a mixed bag of shit coming down now. We're looking up at the midway section of Circular Avenue. This is what's going on. We got our nor'easter came in late last night and started slamming the piss out of us somewhere between 11:30 and 2:30 this morning. I was actually up at 3. Plotting my plan of attack to get out of here to go to Burger King to do their sidewalks this morning. So that's my update on the snowstorm. There will be pictures to follow, but this is the big snowstorm for 2019 in the Northeast. And stay safe.